Hey guys, it's Andrea, and today I am coming at you with this week's new releases. It is a little bit of a smaller release, but I'm really excited about it nevertheless, because I've been waiting to release these items for quite a while. Last week's releases were actually insane, so thank you guys so much. I was definitely not expecting that, but Haunted Magic, like y'all, like that was insane, but it's like such a good kit, so like I totally get it. So let's go into this week's new releases. So this week I only actually am going to be releasing 2 kits just to give us like a little bit of a break in between, and I'm also going to be releasing some sparkly holo items that I've had like for literally forever, but have been just like waiting for the perfect time to release. So let's go ahead and get into it. So the first kit here is called Boo, and this is a custom exclusive art collection for Halloween. I wanted to do kind of like a modern, just classic Halloween looking kit with like, you know, your classic colors, and I think that this turned out super cute. Obviously art by Kittenish Girl Jess, because you know she's my fave, and I just love everything about it. So you have your 2 girls up in the corners, you have lots of pumpkins and spiders and modern decor. Obsessed, the diptyque candle and the stack of books. Just really here for everything about this kit. I just think it's super cute, and like the makeup here too. Love it. I'm probably going to be using this kit for the week of Halloween just because it just screams Halloween. I love this scene here because it really like stands like really good on itself, like not on itself, by itself too. So you could totally use these kind of farther away from each other, and it doesn't really look like you're breaking up a double box at all, which I think is super cute. These are the little extra boxes in the Ultimate kit. So you have these super cute like nails, like Halloween inspired nails with the 31 poster, and then also this super cute bar cart. And I loved the like Chanel book and also the Louis book. We actually have this Louis book in Nick's office, and I just think it looks super cute. There is a faux glitter throughout with the black and orange in there, which I think is super pretty. And I love the deco on here with these spiders. I'm just a big fan of like fake spiders. You have the functional, again, very classic on the Halloween colors, and I am here for it. You could totally pull marble into this too, I think, if you wanted some extras. And this is the new Little Things page, which I love. The like black glitter stroke, black and orange glitter stroke throughout. And then the bottom washi is super simple, but I think could be really cool with like a fun like holiday, like Halloween bottom washi overlay. I'm sure Sadie Stickers is going to come out with something really cute. And then this is the freebie in both the Ultimate and the Mini, and it's the like a door scene, a modern door scene. I thought it was really cute. And then it says "Witch Please" on the doorstep, which I just love, and that's nowhere else really in the kit. Well, actually it's in the background of the girls, but you can't really tell. So that is the Ultimate kit. I just love it. It's just everything I wanted for a Halloween week kit, and I just think that Jess killed it. As always, there is a mini kit also. I'll go into this one and show you guys. I'll show you guys the other mini kit too, since there is only 2 kits this week, and that is a mini kit exclusive. So that's the full boxes. You have the deco, you have the functional, the new, I just love this page, the new mini kit page, and then the bottom washi with the same tall box freebie. I love me a tall box freebie, guys. I really do. I love tall boxes in general. I just think they're super cute, and they look really great on the sidebar. But you could also totally like mix them into the spread. I want to do that more often too, because I have ideas. So that is the Ultimate and Mini kit. There is also the option to add on the bottom washi. It is like a little bit of an ombre of the like 2 orange colors in the kit, so it's a little bit dark over here and then a lighter orange over there. There's also the option if you want to add on the glitter headers, which has the like faux glitter throughout, so it's like black orange. It's really cool. There's also the label sampler if you want to add that on, and then there is also a fashion option if you want to add this on. So there's lots of fashion up boxes, super cute. And this one's kind of like Wednesday Addams kind of inspired costume-ish type thing. So love this kit. I love this one right here, but also the redhead girl is super cute too, but I'm loving, I don't know which I'm gonna pick. I feel like maybe the red hair would bring in like the oranges, so love that. Let's go into the other kit that I will be releasing this week, which is called Neverland, and this is going to be a mini kit exclusive. This is such cute art. I love like dark blue, and I don't think we've done such a heavy blue kit, at least in a while. So I really loved seeing this art come out, and I was like, yes, we need to use this. So you have Wendy, you have Peter, and you just have some like very like Peter Pan inspired items in here. It also goes along with the, why can I never remember the the lounge fly like collection, which is super cute. I love this scene, and I love the scene in the background here of them. There is also the deco page, there is the functional page, there is like a champagne kind of like really pretty gold like splattered throughout. There's also the, I just love this page, the mini kit page, the new one. And then you have the bottom washi. And then I did do for the freebie of this one, the like squared boxes, because you guys really like that when I did them with like Tiki. And then what was the other one that I released then? Tiki and Small World. And then there are some extras here if you want to add these on. So the first one here is a bottom washi, and I kind of wanted to do something a little bit more decorative with this because I kept this really simple because I thought this would be really pretty if you wanted to do, like, I know a lot of shops do like the bottom washi overlays with stars, or you could just buy the like little mini stars from our shop and just kind of like scatter them on here. But I thought it would be cute, since this is a little bit more minimalistic, if you wanted to do it kind of like how I like do bottom washi, I guess, is you could do the bows on here, and then on this one do the little stars too, so you could kind of like depend, it's just like very, you could do whatever you want. But I thought this would be really cute with the little skyline at night, and I thought that was really, really pretty. So definitely have some different options with that. There's also the option if you want to add on the labels sampler, if you want to add on the glitter headers, which have the gold sprinkled throughout. And then we also do have an option if you want to add on the fashion boxes, which I think are super fun because they're all different. So the set itself came with Wendy, Peter, Tink, and like the Captain Hook. And then I asked Elaine, who drew this art, to do some mermaids for me because I really love the mermaids in Peter Pan. I just think it's super fun. So I thought that adding two girls that are mermaids would really make this kind of like, if you wanted to use it in multiple like spreads, you totally could. If you had these, you have the extra box, maybe you could find like a quote to go on that. And I think this would be really, really cute. So that is everything for the kits this week, and I am like super excited. Ugh, I love the fashion girls in Tink. Actually might be my favorite out of everything in the kit. Like, the glory. They're like super hot mermaids, just saying. So that is Neverland. So cute, so cute. I didn't put that in there, but I'll put it in there. It's foamy anyways. So that is all of the kits for this week. Like I said, we're just doing 2 this week because it was crazy last week, and then we're gonna just get ahead for future weeks. So let's go into the releases for foil. So for foil, instead of doing like a wiggle and foil items, I'm just doing all of these a la carte foil items. I wanted to bring some items to the shop in Sparkly Holo, and I honestly ordered these in like February, but I've just been like sitting waiting for the perfect time to release them, which it's now August, guys. So let's go into the releases here. So first thing, I kind of did the most like popular items, and trying to keep it like minimal, just because we do have like a lot of SKUs in the shop, especially with foil already, like over 1,000. This one here is the bow 15mm overlay, like the solid bow. That's definitely our top selling bottom washi overlay. And then I did pick 3 of the designs for the like confetti version. So this has the stars, there's also the twinkle, and the chunky. So these are all in Sparkly Holo. Then I also wanted to do the holiday sheet because that one is also one of our top sellers. We are going to be adding to the holidays probably in around October. That should be like ready to go. So super cute. So that's our old version. And then we do have the matte icons in the Sparkly Holo. So these are on the matte white paper. There's also the script sampler, which came out recently in the Sparkly Holo. We do also have the date numbers in Sparkly Holo. It's really hard for the camera to like focus on the Sparkly Holo. Also the mini icons page in Sparkly Holo. And then I did order both the headers and the full box overlays, but we'll get to the headers in a minute because there's a little bit of a problem that I just noticed. Despite having these for months, there's a problem. So, but we'll get into that. So I do have 3, again, of our most popular full box overlays. So I have the twinkle, the star, and the chunky, again, to match the 15mm. So let's talk about the headers. So these are going to be heavily discounted because for some reason my manufacturer like messed up and they did cut these in the half cut header style. So obviously we don't have these in shop as half cut headers. We do have like regular half cut headers, but they're like of the bougie style. So I'm going to be putting these up at a really, really heavy discount just to honestly get rid of them because they're not something that we normally carry. And I did order new ones of actual headers, but I don't know when those will be in. It's probably going to be a little bit. So these I'm just going to put up for now. So you could totally double stack these and use them as headers. I probably will for, you know, any spreads in the meantime that I don't have the headers for. Or you could totally use these as bougie, because I don't plan on bringing Sparkly Holo bougie boxes to the shop. So if you wanted to pick these up to use as like half cut header bougie, that's also an option too. They're going to be at like a really good price, because again, I don't plan on ever bringing these to the shop as half cut headers. They are like a misfit product, but like I said, I will be ordering them in the corrected format, and hopefully those won't be like, I mean, they're gonna be a while, so I just figured I'd put these up and kind of tide y'all over. So there's honestly so much foil still coming to the shop. I don't know, like, we're gonna need like a full foil room for filling at some point, just because there's so much foil. So I wanted to keep it kind of minimal with what I brought to the shop in Sparkly Holo. I will be bringing more things to the shop in Sparkly Holo in the future, but I'm going to be keeping it kind of like condensed, just because we already have so much in the shop, especially in the foil area. So again, we do have the 15mm strips, we do have the first holiday sheet, we have the matte circle icons, the script sampler, the date numbers, the mini icons, the 3 different versions of the full boxes, and then the half cut headers, which I will be putting up at a discount for you guys. So that is everything for this week. So again, Sparkly Holo, we also have Boo, and then also Neverland. So I hope you guys like this week's new releases. They will be up Wednesday at noon Eastern, and we will have unlimited stock on these for the first 48 hours. And this special pricing, I'll just run like until they're sold out. So I hope you guys like it, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.